Welcome! Today we are gonna cook eggs in purgatory, and if you stick around until the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you why this recipe is called like that. This is a dish which is typical from Naples, and it's very simple to make. Just some eggs, a bit of tomato sauce, tomato passata, and some cheese on top. Salt and pepper is gonna be excellent. Now, today I have my assistant Aurora to help me, and we are gonna make eggs in purgatory. That's all we need. 4 eggs, a bit of grated Parmesan, polpa rustica, tomato passata, and I'm gonna add also half an onion to make our tomato sauce a bit tasty. Pan is hot, and we pour a bit of olive oil in the pan, and then in the meanwhile, while the oil gets hot, we chop a bit of the onion in small pieces. We chop the onion finely, and now we put it in the pan with the oil quite hot, and we prepare a quick soffritto. So we gently fry the onion, and then we are gonna add the tomato sauce. Now the tomato sauce first. Yeah. We wait until the onions are quite golden, and then we add the tomato sauce, the tomato passata. Now it's time to add the tomato passata. Very chunky. We stir a bit, and now we let this cook for a few minutes, 10-15 minutes. We just want the sauce to be nice and ready for our eggs. So we add a pinch of salt, and then we're gonna add a lot of pepper at the end. The sauce has been cooking for a few minutes. There we go, it's bubbly. We make a small space for each of the egg. So let's start with one. We crack the egg, and we carefully position it there. Today we're gonna cook 4 eggs. And now we make sure that these little guys cook for 7-8 minutes, depends how you like your egg cooked. If a lot or not too much. I like it a bit runny, obviously. So I'm gonna put the lid on, and I'll come back in a few minutes. Six, 7 minutes in the cooking. That's how the eggs look like, and if you want them more cooked, of course feel free to leave them for another couple of minutes, but I like them runny. So I'm gonna add a bit of salt and pepper. Pepper in this recipe is very important. Let's give the extra taste, and that's it. Off the heat. If you wanna add a bit of Parmesan, like I will do, feel free to do it, and you can serve them straight away. Now today I'm not gonna use a fork to try this dish, because I'm gonna use my bread. The perfect way of testing this recipe. Bread in. Look at this, look at the Yolk, very runny, it's gonna mix with the sauce. Fantastic. Let me see. This will be boiling now, I know. Excellent. Mamma mia. This thing, you can have it as a side dish, you can have it as a main course. When you're very hungry, you have nothing in the house. Eggs in Purgatory. But why? Why this name? This is a recipe that comes from Naples. So, as you can see from the way the dish is arranged, you see the white of the eggs, which is coming up amongst the red of the sauce and the orangey kind of color from the yolk. And it looks like the souls of people that are sitting in the purgatory waiting to go through heaven. That's the legend, if you believe it. But if you believe it or not, this is a great dish anyway. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Subscribe to this YouTube channel because it's free. And enjoy your meal. Quick, simple, cheap. That's how it's done in Italia. Bye.